Title: Declutter Your Mind and Space, a mindful approach to removing home clutter. In the pursuit of a more balanced and mindful life, one often starts by looking inward, seeking to declutter the mind from the chaos of daily stress and distractions. However, an equally important aspect of this journey is decluttering the physical spaces we inhabit, for our external environment has a profound impact on our internal state. In this article, we will explore the art of removing clutter from your home through the lens of mindfulness and meditation, creating a serene and harmonious living space that complements your inner peace. The connection between clutter and mental clarity. Before we delve into the mindful process of decluttering, let's understand why a cluttered environment can be detrimental to our well-being. Research has shown that excess clutter can lead to increased stress, reduced productivity, and a sense of overwhelm. Just as meditation helps clear the mind of racing thoughts, decluttering your living space can bring calmness to your surroundings, which in turn can promote mental clarity and relaxation. The mindful approach to decluttering. Set your intention. Begin your decluttering journey with a clear intention. Ask yourself why you want to declutter your home. Do you seek a sense of peace, organization, or more space to breathe? Having a purpose will guide your efforts. Start small. Begin with one room or even a single corner. Overwhelming yourself with the idea of decluttering your entire home can deter you from starting. Focus on one area at a time, and celebrate your progress along the way. Mindful sorting. As you sift through your belongings, practice mindfulness. Hold each item in your hand and ask yourself if it brings you joy or serves a practical purpose. If not, consider donating, recycling, or discarding it. Breathe and let go. Letting go of possessions can be emotionally challenging. When you encounter resistance, take a deep breath and remind yourself that your attachment is to the memory, not the physical object. Release it with gratitude for its role in your life. Create a sacred space. Designate a space in your home for mindfulness and meditation. It could be a corner with a comfortable cushion or a peaceful nook with soft lighting. Ensure this space remains clutter-free to foster tranquility. Mindful cleaning. As you declutter, clean mindfully. Pay attention to the sensations and movements involved in cleaning. This can be a form of moving meditation, helping you stay present in the moment. Regular maintenance. Once you've decluttered and organized your space, make it a habit to maintain it. Spend a few minutes each day tidying up to prevent clutter from accumulating again. The benefits of a clutter-free home. A decluttered home offers numerous benefits that align with the principles of mindfulness and meditation. Enhanced focus. With fewer distractions, you can concentrate better on your meditation and mindfulness practices, leading to deeper experiences. Reduced stress. A tidy environment reduces the mental burden of clutter, promoting relaxation and stress reduction. Improved sleep. A clutter-free bedroom promotes better sleep, which is essential for overall well-being. Increased creativity. A clear space can stimulate creativity and inspiration, allowing you to explore your mindfulness practices more deeply. Emotional freedom. Letting go of physical clutter can mirror the process of releasing emotional baggage, fostering emotional growth and resilience. Conclusion. In the pursuit of mindfulness, meditation, and wellness, remember that your external environment is intertwined with your internal state. By decluttering your home mindfully, you create a harmonious space that supports your journey towards inner peace and balance. Embrace the process with patience and gratitude, and you will find that as your home becomes clutter-free, so too does your mind.